Hey, it's Monday, August 3rd, 2020. Welcome back to our channel. Want to welcome all our new subscribers. We're so happy you're here. Welcome to the family. You might say welcome to our tribe. Today I'm talking about sciatica, that pain in your back, goes down your leg, all the way to your foot maybe. So the one thing I want you to learn today is when to seek the advice of a doctor. In other words, when to know that the self-help things that we teach you are not going to work. So, stick around! So today I'm going to be teaching you some strategies about sciatica, back pain, leg pain, what you're going to do when you don't know what else to do. Your back's killing you, your leg's killing you. What should you do? The number one thing is you need to find a comfortable position. So I'm going to give you some different options. The overriding principle, the number one thing you need to know about treating your back and leg pain at home is when the pain doesn't subside with all of these different strategies. I'm going to teach you 5 different strategies. If your leg pain doesn't start to subside when you're doing it after 3 minutes, 5 minutes, especially after 3 or 4 days of trying these consistently, you need to go see your doctor. Chiropractor, osteopath, medical doctor. So the strategies for your sciatica are using pillows in different positions. The number one position you should try is lying on your stomach. Some people get relief lying directly on their stomach like this. However, if you're bent over in pain like this, or even more often like this, your body will lean you away from the pain as a protective mechanism that's called muscle splinting. Your body splints the muscles in a way that's going to move you away from the swelling of the disc and the nerve. So most often if you're leaning to the left and forward, the pain is down your right leg. So what I want you to do is stack a couple pillows up and then lie down on your stomach. In 30 seconds, your pain should start to subside in your leg. In other words, if it's going to your foot, it should start to retract and go up your leg toward your knee, and then hopefully even towards your butt. However, if the pain does not subside, number 2, what you want to do is if your right leg is hurting, you're going to move your legs over to the left. And then just lie there and breathe. Let your arms hang down. If any of these strategies or maneuvers, your pain gets worse, just stop immediately. Again, your pain should start to subside moving up your leg and hopefully centralize to your lower back. Strategy number 3, and that is oftentimes if your pain is not going away with your legs straight or moving away from the side of the pain, then you would move your leg up on the side that hurts and then try to see if that will relieve it. Your foot would be at your knee, up on the pillow. So your leg is elevated and bent at the hip and the knee. Let me show it on this side. Your hip is elevated up on the pillow, your knee is bent, your hip is bent, and your foot is at your knee. So just lie there for about 30 seconds. If you don't start getting relief within 30 seconds to 2 minutes, then you would try this strategy. This is a strategy where you lay on your side. Again, the main concept is you're looking for a position where your pain is decreasing or completely eased. It's not as simple as that always. But you lie on your side, you have a pillow for your neck, and then your legs are up on 2 pillows. This would be the leg that hurts. You would have the leg that hurts on top with 2 pillows under your feet. That brings your hips and feet up. Every time you try one of these strategies, just take a deep breath in and let it out. Ah, this feels good. All the pain left my leg and my back. That may not happen for you again. The strategy, the thing you need to remember is pain should relieve or reduce in your leg and center in your back and hopefully reduce even in your back. Number 4, You're going to use a towel lying under your back. If you're a girl, you can use pink. If you're a boy, you can use blue. Actually, it's gender neutral. It doesn't really matter, obviously. You're going to use a towel under your back that you lie down on your side and you roll over on your back. The towel helps support your back. Again, it helps to push the vertebra forward, kind of like a chiropractic adjustment to reduce the misalignment. It also helps to push the disc forward away from the nerve. And you can have your knees bent, you can have your knees straight. Just find the position that makes it most comfortable for you. Hopefully the pain is coming out of your leg. If it increases the pain in your leg, then go ahead and turn on your side and get yourself up. If not, just lie here for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Some people actually fall asleep, wake up feeling much better. So turn yourself on your side to get up and sit up. Number 5, last but not least, stack 2 pillows up. You're going to be lying on your back, and then you lay one pillow at an angle. They make a foam wedge that can be used for this also. I have a pillow here for my head. So again, I'm going to sit and lie on my side, and then turn over on my back with my legs up like this. I think for me, with my own particular disc problem, this is the most pain relieving position I can be in. When you're done with this, you turn on your side and sit yourself up. If you have any questions about this video, anything I've covered, please leave a comment below. Also, any topics that you want us to cover, please leave a comment below. We really want to hear from our tribe. We really want to hear from our family. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.